A big hello to all my wonderful children. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing great, you are happy, you are healthy. Well, today I am here with a very good news for all the children who are from Karnataka and also for the children who are not from Karnataka. And you might be wondering what? Or you might have already guessed it. Well, I am going to talk about COMEDK. You know what is COMEDK? So there is an entrance exam for getting into the colleges of Karnataka, and almost 150 colleges have signed up for this. So if you write COMEDK, you will be having a seats reserved to that. So children who write it, who get the result, will be getting into the top colleges of Karnataka, my dear children. And why choose Karnataka? Because over here you have so many good companies giving you great campus selections as well. So why to miss this particular opportunity? This is not something that you have to miss. And why did I say that it is useful for both children who are from Karnataka and not from Karnataka? Basically, for the children who are from Karnataka, let me talk about you first. So there are higher chances that at least some of you might have missed registering for KCET examination, that is Karnataka Commons Entrance Test examination. So obviously you can go ahead. Okay, you can go ahead and try writing this particular examination. Now, why is it useful for some other children who are not from Karnataka? Because you will get a chance to study in top colleges of Karnataka. And as I said here, the placement rates are really high. And this is not something that we should be missing. But obviously, you should be taking an informed decision. So you can go around, there will be a video. There is already a video put up regarding COMEDK, what is all about it. You can go check it out. Take an informed decision, my dear children. It's very important for you guys. But as I said, since being a teacher, I have to give you options of what you can do rather than being just worried about, oh my god, I don't know what will I do after my 12th grade. Okay, my JEE exam didn't go so well. So my dear children, you have an option. Please utilize it. Please give COMEDK for once. The exam is on 10th May. I am here to tell you the deadline of the application. So you have to fill the application before 15th of March 2025, 12 noon. Actually, it will get closed. Now, 15th of March 2025 lands on a Saturday. 12 noon, the application forms, you won't be allowed to go ahead and submit the application form. So before that, please do it. Do we have to wait until 15th of March? No. We have to do it as soon as possible. So no waiting for anything. Remember, you have your future in your hand. You are in control. You can achieve whatever you want. So please do not be disheartened by basically getting less marks in other big examination that you might have already done. There is still a chance, and I am here to talk about that chance. And if you're someone who is not understanding that how will I do the registration and everything, so Aishwarya ma'am will be putting up a video really soon. You can go watch the step-by-step process by which you can register for COMEDK. Please make sure you're not making any mistakes. So definitely watch that particular video as well. And as I already told you, you have a video already done for COMEDK about the basic information which is put up there and why you should be giving it. So watch that video and take an informed decision. And do let us know, do you want us to start off a COMEDK batch? Well, we are thinking of something like that. But if you want us to definitely do let us know that in the comment section. We are someone who reply to your comments really fast and take your things into consideration. So make sure you are utilizing this, my dear children. And if you have any doubts as well regarding COMEDK, you can ask that as well. Okay, we are here to help you out. So don't be worried. Remember, 10th May 2025 is the examination. Okay, so have your May month for this as well. Yes, so that's all. And bye-bye. Take care. Keep smiling.